Oh yeah, one German fellow said, I said, there's only 2 words in the chorus. He said, no, there are 3 words. I said, what's the 3rd word? Oh. I'm a weaver, a Calton weaver. I'm a rash and a roving blade. I've got silver in my pocket, and I follow the roving trade. Oh, whiskey, whiskey, Nancy, whiskey. Whiskey, whiskey, Nancy, oh. As I rode out through Glasgow City, Nancy whiskey I chanced to smell. I went in, sat down beside her. For 7 long years I loved her well. Oh, whiskey, whiskey, Nancy whiskey. Whiskey, whiskey, Nancy, oh. The more I kissed her, the more I loved her. The more I kissed her, the more she smiled. Soon I forgot my mother's teaching. Nancy soon had me beguiled. Oh, whiskey, whiskey, Nancy whiskey. Whiskey, whiskey, Nancy, oh. As I rose early in the morning to slake my thirst, it was my need. I tried to rise, but I was not able, for Nancy had me by the knees. Oh, whiskey, whiskey, Nancy whiskey. Whiskey, whiskey, Nancy, oh. I'll surely make those shuttles fly, for I made more at the Calton weaving than ever I did in the roving way. Oh, whiskey, whiskey, Nancy whiskey. Whiskey, whiskey, Nancy, oh. So come all you weavers, you Calton weavers, come all you